This is the HP Elitebook 8460 laptop motherboard, and this motherboard problem is power is not turning on. Today I will fix this laptop. You can see this is the processor. Thermal paste is gone dry. This is the RAM. Open it. And this is the graphics chips of this motherboard. Okay, let's plug in and check it. Okay, our laptop charger is plugged in, and let's check this input voltage. And this is the charger input voltage, and 19.50 voltage is present here. And this is the MOSFET here. Here is also 19.50 voltage present. That means this power supply is okay. Here is no problem. Primary power supply. And after that, here is some common voltage, and here should be present 19 voltage. Yes, 19 voltage present. And this one is the 5 voltage output. Yes, here is a 5 voltage present. Okay. Here is a 3.3 voltage. Let's see. But here is no voltage. Okay. Maybe this voltage will become after turning on the laptop, but right now here is no voltage present. That is okay. This is the no voltage, and our main voltage is the 5 voltage, and 5 voltage should be present. That means our power supply is okay. And after that, turn on the IO chips, and this 5 voltage will be work with the IO chips. And checking this voltage, here is input voltage or not. Here is 30 voltage is present, and here is another pin also. Here is 3 voltage also present. This is not responding. Okay. Here is a 2.5 voltage is present. Press it, but this voltage is not changing. When I press the power switch, and this voltage is going to be dropped, but that is not going. And make this short here. Yep, it's working. That means this power switch is not working here, and due to the power switch problem, and this motherboard is not turning on. Let's check the voltage. What is the condition? Yes, here is the 5 voltage present, and this one is the 3.3 voltage. Yeah, 3.3 voltage also present, and this is the 19 voltage. Absolutely okay. Check this processor voltage. Here is a 1.18 voltage is working, and processor is heating. That means that is working. Okay viewers, our laptop circuit is okay, and I need to change this power switch. Let's change it. If you don't have this power switch, and you can do this, and you can exchange this from here. Here is a 3 switch, and one is Wi-Fi and one is speaker, and you can change any one from this here. Okay, and when you turn on this your laptop, and you can do anything from your operating system. Okay, I just change this from here. Okay, here is 3 voltage is present. Okay, when I place the power switch and voltage is drop and laptop also turn on, and you can see here is LED light is clone. And cooling fan also is spinning. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.